What's the time, crocodile? A clickety-clack clock book. What's the time, crocodile? When the shorthand is to the 7, it's 7 o'clock. If the longhand points it up, it's up in a whole hour. Turn the clock hands to match the time in the story. Learn digital time with Robbie Robot. Do you know the time, little bear? The long hand is pointing to 12, and the start hand is pointing to 8. So it's 8 o'clock, and I need to run to catch the bus. If the long hand is pointing to the straight up to 12, so it's a whole hour. And it's just time a whole hour ends 8 o'clock. What's the time, crocodile? And the halfway is halfway between 9 and 10. It's 9:30. The long hand is pointing straight to 6, which means it's 7:30. Half an hour is 30 minutes. So 9:30 is digital time is 9:30. Before 12 midway, we would say AM. Do you know the time, little bear? The long hand is pointing to 6. And the short way is happening between 12 and 1. So it must be 12:30. Exactly, it's lunchtime. After 12 o'clock, we say PM. 9:30. What's the time, crocodile? The long hand is pointing to the 3, which is a quarter of the way around the clock, and the short hand is just past 2, so it's half 2. There is 15 minutes and a quarter of an hour, so the digital is 2:15. The long hand is pointing to 9, which is a quarter before the next hour. Dinner time before 2. 6 is the same as 3/4 after 5, and 3/4 of an hour is 45 minutes. So the digital time is 5:45. Teeth brushing time. It's almost bedtime, so we better brush our teeth. When the long hand is moved one to the next 5 minutes past, and the additional time 5:07 is written 7:05. Yes, it's 5:07, I know. This is because the long hand is pointing 1 and the short hand is just past 7. Time for bed. It's getting late. A little bear. The long hand is pointing to 5, which is, it means 25 after something. The little numbers on the clock tell you how many minutes have passed. And the long hand minutes points to 5, and it is 25 after the hour. 7:25. The end.